Welcome to episode 3 Fuel for Life. Food that prevents, not that just fills. Namaskaram, Hyderabad. You're listening to episode 3 of Future Proof with Dr. Chaitanya. Today, we dig into the real medicine most people overlook your food. So let's be honest. In Hyderabad, food is an emotion. Biryani is love. Irani chai is nostalgia. But here's the truth. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. You just have to balance your plate. Let me introduce you to Sham and Lata, a couple from Manikonda in Hyderabad. Both working professionals, always eating out, ordering on Swiggy and Zomato. They were always fatigued, felt bloated, and they were borderline diabetic. We sat down and created a simple 5-day plan. We switched breakfast to protein-rich options, mainly egg and dal. We replaced their rice with millet and vegetables, added fruit and unsalted nuts as snacks. We cut down the restaurant meals to once a week. We told them no more Swiggy, no more Zomato. And the result, in 8 weeks, they lost a lot of weight, felt lighter, their blood sugars were well controlled, and guess what? No medicine was needed. Just adjustments on their diet and eating pattern. Here are some food habits that prevent diseases. Eat more colorful foods, your fruits and vegetables, tomatoes, your purple brinjal. Add one raw element to each meal, cucumber, sprouts or carrots. Reduce your white foods, reduce sugar, unnecessary salt can be avoided, reduce rice, reduce maida. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Avoid packaged foods, avoid refined sugars. So a good tip, replace your evening coffee and biscuits with roasted channa or cut fruit. Your plate is your prescription pad. Want help building a real meal? Book a consult with me today. In the next episode, we'll talk about the hidden epidemics, stress, poor sleep, and lack of movement. It's not just about gym or gadgets. It's about your daily rituals and routines. See you in the next episode.